Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. My people, it's a beautiful day, and today we just want to discuss about poultry hygiene or poultry house hygiene. Most definitely I'm gonna talk about hygiene, which I usually preach. Most of the time I preach it is rule number one. Hygiene is rule number one in poultry house. If you want to keep your bird healthy, guys, observe hygiene. And what is this hygiene I'm talking about? I've been preaching all the time. We have to practice to keep the house or the poultry house clean and the equipment free of disease-causing microorganisms. It is very, very important, again, to keep the birds healthy and the people working in this environment safe. We have to protect our workers and we have to protect the health of the birds. As you can see, my helper, my caretaker here, very busy. Before we give our birds feeds all the time, let me say from the morning, afternoon, evening, before we place feeds in this feeder, this is a cage, we have to disinfect, we have to clean, and you can see it practically. And all the time I enter into this room, guys, I always show you. I always enter by feeding time most of the time, at least to show you how we've been feeding them, healthy feeds, quality feeds, and I have to show you how we do it. So it is very, very important, guys. Let's try. All poultry keepers, poultry farmers around, if you are watching this video for the first time, just make sure before you give your bird or your chicken food, before you place any feed into that feeder, make sure it is clean. You can see here we use a disinfector to clean this place 3 times a day. Don't get tired of cleaning or of maintaining good hygiene in poultry house. Don't get tired, please. Just take your time. Peter is taking his time to clean the feeder 3 times a day before you place the feed there. Just make sure it is clean, because after they have finished the feeds, you will find poops there. You will find poops there, and maybe the poop is infected in one way or the other. Again, if they eat the same thing, you know how they can mess up. You place the feed there in that feeder and the poop was there. You can imagine you are spreading the infection in a poultry house. So let's avoid that. Let's try by all means, because it all starts with the feeder and the drinker. Where is that water coming from? What they are drinking, is it clean? Question number 1. Question number 2. Is their feeder clean? Where you are placing that feed, is it clean? Is it disinfected? The type of food they are eating, guys, is it a quality one? The environment they are in, is it that clean? The environment. Check the floor. At least if you are too busy, you can't do it daily in your farm, but at least try at least 3 times a week or twice in a week. Just do a thorough cleaning twice a week. In that case, you're gonna disinfect even the walls the roofs, the floor, everywhere. Let me just say everywhere. All the compound. Just make sure you disinfect. Thorough disinfectant is needed. You do it thoroughly, because that is what carries the health of our birds. See, now they are enjoying their feeds. In a clean feeder, they are really enjoying. And that one you are sure of what they are eating. It is safe for them. And to the caretaker, his safety matters. His safety matters. So, hygiene rule number 1, guys, let's observe this. Yeah, now everyone is enjoying the food. Enjoying the food. Meals time. Meals time. So after giving them food, you give them time. If everything is finished, the feeder is empty again, you come clean it. It's very, very necessary, guys, because the moment you don't take this seriously, you will get infection, will get into the farm. The moment one bird is infected, you see change in the poops, change in the behavior. They are somehow dull, they are not eating. You are risking your business. This is pure business and we want to protect it. By all means, protect your farm. If one bird gets sick, you're gonna lose even 50%, if not all of them. And here, there is no emergency. You won't call for an ambulance to take your birds to the hospital. So that's why I'm telling you, prevention is better than cure. Always. Prevention is better than cure. Let's protect them 24/7. What they eat, where they spend their time, that is the compound, the house itself, what they drink, it's very, very important. The type of water they're drinking. Yeah. Who access that room? Who access the house? Is there a place you've set aside where everyone that access the farm disinfect? Or your farm is where anyone can access? It has many corridors, it has many doors, it has like, you can't tell who was here before me, who was here after me. You can't tell because maybe the routes are so many. Just try to have one entrance point. Again, depending on the size of the farm. If the farm is so big, mine is not that big. If your farm is so big, just make sure you have a restricted area, or the entrance point is protected. There is a disinfectant there where someone will disinfect whatever they are putting on, or they leave out the shoes they are wearing, the boots they are wearing, they put the one that has been disinfected. We have to protect our birds by all means. That is where you're gonna enjoy this type of farming, guys. The moment your birds are in good health, I tell you, you feel very happy. The moment your birds jump up and down, they enjoy the food, you feel satisfied. So let's try maintain good hygiene. Is when we're gonna protect our farm, we're gonna protect our business. Protect your birds. Let your birds be healthy. They will grow healthy, gain weight, have good money. The moment you take a healthy bird into the market, you won't even bargain the price. The amount you will say, you will sell. So let that one not worry you. If your birds are healthy, don't be worried about the market. It will come. I'm a witness. I'm a witness. It will come. Stop looking for market earlier. Take care of your birds. Let them be healthy and in good condition. The market will look for you. People will come into your farm to look for those healthy birds with weight, juicy bits. I'm bragging about Sasso breed, and I'm preaching about good health. Hygiene. Rule number 1 in poultry farming, if you want to succeed, for you to succeed, guys, let's maintain good poultry hygiene. Protect the house all the time. If you are watching this video for the first time, share where are you watching from. Lynette Solar Travels. Where are you watching this video from? Tell me more about your farm. How are you doing it in your area? Are you learning something from this channel? Kindly share the comment section what you feel I should adjust in, what you need. Do you need any assistance? New ideas, guys. We learn, we educate each other, we prosper together. You succeed, I succeed. Yeah, you can see the floor itself. It's very, very tidy. It's very clean.
Okay.
So share where are you watching from? At the comment section, guys. And thanks to my subscribers who always comes back to watch my video. I appreciate the love and support you guys are offering. I don't take it for granted. I'm very happy about you people. I brag about my subscribers because where I am is because of you people. Yeah, so let's just try to maintain good hygiene in poultry farming. Then we will succeed. From there, you won't lose any bird. Zero death in your farm. Zero death in your farm. The moment you take care of them, you're good to go. Everyone is gonna succeed in this. So let's do the right thing. No shortcut. We'll succeed together. Thank you for watching my videos all the time. New subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching this for the first time, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel Lynette Solar Travels. Like, share. Thank you so much, my people.